In this video, I am going to reveal all the secret that people scared to share with you guys, but I am going to share with you all the things about how to scale, optimize your Facebook Advantage Plus shopping campaigns. But first, if you didn't watch my last video on how to set up Advantage Plus shopping campaigns, you can have the video link in description. Go ahead and watch it if you don't know what this campaign is, and please I request you to watch this, or if you already have the knowledge of Advantage Plus shopping campaigns, you can just stick to this video and know how to scale and optimize these shopping campaigns and make good results for your business. After watching this video, you will have the whole strategy and you will become expert at Advantage Plus shopping campaign. This will help you to make maximum out of this campaigns. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 45 million in revenue for my clients. If you want me to help you out with your Facebook ads, you can reach out to me using the link in description below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. First of all, you need to understand Advantage Plus campaign take time to show results. You need to have a lot of patience to make this work. If you able to achieve patience on your level, you will get the consistent and stable result that you wishing from Facebook from long time. And yes, they are highly stable. Yes, they are highly stable as you are using the Facebook algorithm at its full potential. I have campaigns that are running from more than 5 to 6 months, literally from 6 months, and still producing consistent results while maintaining the desired ROAS and desired number of scale that we want. Don't touch your Advantage Plus campaign for minimum 5 to 7 days once you launch it. As if you touch it or if you try to think of anything better you can do, you will break it. If you stop the campaign in early stage, you won't get the results because you are relying on Facebook machine learning and it will take time to find its pace. Now I am going to tell you few steps to optimize and scale Advantage Plus shopping campaigns, and when to cut the ads, when to introduce new ads, when to increase the budget and scale your campaign to the next level. First thing, you need to see how campaigns is performing after 7 days. Am I getting the results within my range? Whether you are whether you have a goal of ROAS or cost of acquisition, you want to lower down your cost of acquisition, and you are getting results within your KPI, whatever your KPI, whatever the metrics you are looking for, are they within your range? If yes, then don't touch it. You are on the right track. Even if some of the ads within the campaigns are on the slighter costlier side, but averaging out and making the overall results good for you, don't touch it. You don't know what happened in the back end of the Facebook. The ads that are showing you less results and increase cost of acquisition, those ads must be shown to the cold prospecting people. And as we are running the retargeting ads within the Advantage Plus shopping campaign, Facebook will be showing some different ads also to those people. So you never know what kind of ads are hitting the person first time or second time. So it's better to not touch it if the things are in good conditions and they are within your uh, range. And if it is not in your target KPI, then what you need to do? Step 1. At what point of KPI you want to turn off the ads? Generally, when you launch an Advantage Plus shopping campaign and uh, your first purchase will be of higher cost because Facebook doesn't have enough data. After first purchase, when you start getting second purchase and third purchase in coming days, cost of acquisition get low and you will start getting the volume. So you need to set up two parameters or two kill switch that you need to see if the ads are performing in these set of two conditions, then I will keep them on. If not, then you need to turn them off. These things are determined by you only. First parameter is amount you are willing to get the first purchase. For example, if your average order value is 60, your first parameter to turn off the ad must be around $120. Second parameter will be amount you are willing to spend to be at target KPI. You want to invest If you have AOV of $60, it might be around $250 to $300 that you want to set for that particular period of time. Second step will be monitoring your ad day to day basis. Like one day you are getting the purchases, but on the second day you didn't get any purchase, or on day one you didn't get any purchase, but on next day you start getting purchases. Like on day one, day two you got one purchase, on day three you are getting two purchases, three purchases. But as you see a trend in your ads that you are getting the results for, it is on daily basis increasing, then if the graph is going, it is giving you the results, right? Then you don't have to turn this off. But if you, if your ads are showing inconsistency and everything is going down, then you need to use your intuitions, like what's going to happen in next days, or you can see the data, like keep them running on for a couple of more days. You will have the clear picture. After that, you need to move on to step 3, where you know when to turn off the ads. Now you need to shut your ads off that you are not passing, or your parameters are not allowing you to run them after seeing the trend. Usually, when we launch Advantage Plus Shopping, after few days you will see our Facebook is spending money on few ads, and not spending on other ads. Facebook is bombarding all the money to couple of one or two ads, right, which is giving the maximal. Whenever Facebook spending money on one or two ads, this is completely normal, and that is how Facebook supposed to work. Now we will be making decision on the ad level. So any of the ads that reach within the parameters that you are seeing that they are not completely fitting in those parameters, you need to turn them off like this. Once you turn off the ads, then you will see next day Facebook will start spending on the other ads and giving the fair amount of budget to other ads. From here, you are heading to the next step, that is adding new ads. Once we turn off the single ad, we need to add another ad. One ad off, one ad in. So Facebook have something new to play with it. Every time you turn off your ad, you need to add one more ad and see the results in few days. You need to give Facebook time and see whether the new ad is performing, or Facebook is still spending money on the rest of the ads that are giving the results. Right. So you will have the clear picture about that also, that Facebook is using those that ad creative, and that ad creative must be a proven ads that are used, that you are testing on your other campaigns. Right. Advantage Plus campaign, you can say as a goat campaign that you are running for a business, but you must be testing different of ads in this front campaign. You need to put best out of that ad creative. Will it be able to perform an Advantage Plus campaign? You need to test it out. So now we have optimized the ads. Now we want to scale. Now next step is scale. So how are we going to scale? It's easy. One thing best about Advantage Plus is stability. See the results on the basis of last 5 to 7 days and increase the budget to 20 to 25%. For example, if you're spending $200, if you increase it by 25%, it will be around 250. You can increase it more, but you need to keep in mind that if you make any adjustment on the budget level, any small changes, any big changes you make, you will see a dip in the results for next couple of 2 days or one day. But after that it will become more stable. If you average out, it will be on the better side of your KPIs, and it is back to the normal. If you massively increase, like if you are spending $200 and suddenly increase to $500 or $1,000, right, you need to know that you can make loss for 1 or 2 days, right? If you don't have that amount of capacity, I will suggest you to choose 25% increase in the budget for a week. Let that budget to be stable for 5 to 7 days, and then increase it. If anything goes wrong, you know you have to decrease the budget and see what kind of ad creatives you need to add, and what kind of parameters that you have set in the first phase are are maintaining or not. See your ROAS, or cost of acquisition, from last 7 days and match it with the 14 days also, and then make the changes. Trust me guys, if you follow these steps, you will be able to see massive improvements in your results, account stability in your ad account. If you let advantage plus campaign to be run for longer period of time, it will be a blessing to your ad accounts. So more you let the advantage plus campaign run, more it will become more stable and stable. If you like this video, if you get any value out of this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.